Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Today we are starting the first lesson of the Holy Qaeda and basic information of the Arabic language and alphabets. So first of all, I tell you today is a very compulsory is alphabets is 29 alphabets of Arabic grammar. We are discussed today just 5 or 6 letters today, and I will tell you what is the difference between in these letters and what is the correct pronunciation with the Tajweed rules. So first of all, alif, and next one is ba. Ba looks like board shape, and always time ba has come dot one in the bottom. Next one is ta, and ta also has looks like shape boards, and two dot come on the top. Next one is sa. Size also looks like board shape, and sa has 3 come dot at the top. So I'm telling you here's a difference in between ta, ba, ta and tha, because these 3 letters are same shape, but how we can find what is the ba, what is the ta and what is the sa. For finding of ba or ta or sa, we need to be concentrate on the dots. If it's board shape and dot come in the bottom one, so we call of this letter ba. Ba. You connect of your both lips and then you pronounce of this letter ba. Ba. Next one is ta. When it's coming same shape and looks like ba, and if it's coming 2 dot at the top, we call of this letter ta. Ta. You open your lips and you read with your teeth and you say ta. Ta. Next letter is sa. This is same shape, looks like ba or ta, but different in the dots. Sa has 3 dot at the top. So how is correct pronunciation? Sa. Sa. You need to be your tongue you need to be put of between of your both teeth, up and down teeth, and then you pronounce of this word sa. Sa. Thanks.